You've been seeing Bobo Braid, very beautiful color, and even on holiday. Then you're wondering, how is it done? Don't worry, I've got Watch this video to the end as I will show you in 5 minutes. I've decided to slow some parts of this video so that you get the point. This video will help you to save some money or even make money if you learn it well and you do it for others. So we are using buzz braid, the regular buzz braid. You can use knotless braid. The same process for bow knotless is the same process for bow buzz braid. I'm slowing down this part so you see how it's added. One side should be longer and the other side shorter. You place underneath the extension like this and you continue to braid. Now you want to braid until the longer part comes to the middle, and after then you raise it up to hang it. So you want to do that and try to pull it away from the braided hair. So you're going to continue braiding until you've moved away from the first coily piece. Then you add the second. And you're going to use the same method. One side longer, the other side short. Braid until the longer coily piece gets to the middle and you hang it up like this. It wasn't hanging well because I didn't fit it inside that crocodile clip. So when you're done, you can add as much as 2 to 3 coily piece depending on how full you want it. And for reference, I'm using gold so that to differentiate where the coily piece was added. So you braid down to the part where you tie. It is always good to coil the tip at the end of the braid so that it comes out fine and everything have coils all through. So you're going to give it a tie like twice so that it's going to stay well. Good. So let's do the second one for us to understand better. So you're going to braid to the desired length. Place the coily piece like this, one side longer and shorter underneath the extension, and braid the hair down until the longer coily piece is in the middle and you hang it up. Then you braid. You are going to continue braiding until you've moved away from that coily piece. As you braid, try to cover the extension. Now we are adding the second one. We use the same process underneath. Braid until the coily piece is in the middle, the longer coily piece, and you hang it. The essence of hanging it is such that it doesn't interrupt the braiding process. So you are going to braid it. Try to cover that extension, the coily piece. And you are going to braid until your desired length. Measure with the other ones. Then you give it a tie. Tie it up to twice so that it doesn't unravel. When you're done with this process, it's advisable not to leave it like this because you want every part to become coiled. So you're going to coil this tip with a roller, right? A bendy rollers. Put it in hot water. Spray your holding spray. Then coil it. When it's coiled, the holding spray helps to make it firm and makes the coil to last longer. So after coiling, you unravel and look at this gorgeousness, this beautiful hair. So you can make this hair on your own. You can make it for others. You can even make some money, right? You can save some money if you make it on yourself. Also, I just want to say that when making the hair, use the same color. That is when it will come out more beautiful. I use this color differentiation to show where the coily piece was placed, but it's often advisable to use the same color. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like and tell me if you'll be trying it. Until I come your way next time, my name is Maris and this is Astera Beauty. Thank you so much. Mwah. Love you. Bye.